Yung kailangan kasi ng isang leader na at the very least average siguro na IQ pero maganda yung mataas na EQ. The bigger determinant of success is EQ, emotional intelligence. Ang magandang balita dito ay ito, kung hindi ka katalinuhan, hindi naman ganun kataas yung IQ, hindi ka naman henyo, it's not that of a problem. I mean, maganda kung matalino ka di, good, congratulations. Pero maraming tao ang matalino pero nagfe-fail because they lack EQ. Yung IQ ay trait. No? Kahit uminom ka ng maraming promil araw-araw, hindi ka tatalino. No? Pero yung EQ is a skill. And if you think about it, what is a skill? A skill is a developed knowledge. So in short, kung skill yung EQ, pwede mo siyang matutunan. At isa lang yung requirement para matutunan mong mag-improve ang iyong emotional intelligence. And what is it? Gusto mo, yun lang.